Yesterday I took care of something I was kind of dreading. I took these completely apart and dunked every piece into this here jug of oil, which was originally yellow. It's just vegetable oil. And I just got all the, the gunk and bits of sanding stuff and metal bits and everything just out of the gears and everything in there. So this should be all clean and running smoothly now. And it's also very oily. Ugh, look at all that junk in there. Ugh. It's like all metal bits and gunk. Even all the little screw threads and stuff are clear now. Alright, I'm going to try to get this frame squared and get the cross pieces in. And I'm doing that by putting in all the bearing holders with a straight shaft, because I know I need this to be straight at the end. Oh, I need to make sure it's the right width before I bolt these in, because once they're locked in, this is a lot harder to slide. Alright, now I need to make this stay where it is in relation to that. So a piece across here and a piece across there. Bolted nice and hard to hold that real sturdy would be nice. I don't think I can put anything right across in the middle because the chains are going to be in the way. So I'll need something nice and strong at the ends. Like this piece of I-beam down here, which is the same as these things. So if I cut a piece just the right length there, and then put some angle pieces in, and then bolt the caca out of it, should be good. Alright, this already has one end that I can use to bolt, if the people who put this on did a good job and it's actually 90 degrees. And they did not. Alright. It's off by like 2 millimeters, you probably can't see on the camera. Alright. That should be a good 90-degree angle. Pretty close. Alright, and my gears will go right there. And I'm just confirming that yes, there is enough space for my chain to get through. I think I got schmutz on my lens. Oh, is that better? Oh, much better. Oh yeah, that's sexy. Alright. Now I gotta do these holes. Somehow. Do I just clamp this in place and get a hand drill out here? Or do I clamp these in place, take the bolts out, take everything out, take the whole thing apart, then take this to the drill press? Now obviously the hand drill's faster. Now, let me think about it. I guess the hand drill's working out alright. The only real problem with this drill is it's way too fast. It was a $20 drill, so I can't complain that much. That's pretty good. I think at the other end I'm going to use a long piece and start over here, go right across the back. Oh, where the... Alright, we got this, plus the wheels, 9 up there. 46-ish inches. Alright. Oh, 44 inches. Alright, it'll fit out the door without the wheels on, I think. Oh, man. Alright. Without the wheels, it'll fit out the door. No problem. Well, that means I can assemble the whole thing right in here. That's great.